Of course it's supposed to rain all night. Cool. Okay guys, I think it's time that we get into today's video. And I have some bad news. So, let me just get straight into it so then we could be on the same page and then maybe you guys can help me. I'm sure some of you may have heard me talk about it in previous videos. I ordered a front lip from eBay. This is what the lip looks like. I think I paid like $80 or something like that. Nothing crazy. So it did come in the mail. Okay, don't get me wrong. I know I paid $80. I know the quality's not gonna be, you know, 100% there, but I can't put that on my car. Like, I honestly can't put that on my car. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna return this lip, but I need your guys' help now. Hold on, let me close this. And as you guys can see, the rest of this video actually is frozen in frame. I'm not sure why that is. Like, I literally have another 17 minutes of content, and look, it's all the same. Like, you can hear me talking. You can hear me talking. And then a week later, bump stops come. You see? You can hear me talking, but I'm not sure why that happened. So, unfortunately, this video is cooked. But I'm still going to upload for you guys because I made it a promise to myself that I was going to upload every other day. So I'm going to try to stick to that promise. And the funny thing about this, guys, is I'm literally editing this video while I'm at work. Like, look. I'm literally at work. I'm literally in the truck right now. Maybe this will show you guys how dedicated I actually am to uploading every other day. I'm trying to get this video done just so I could upload today for you guys, because I have been falling behind on editing just because I've been real busy with life and stuff like that. But basically, the rest of the video is me asking you guys, should I get another lip from eBay? Should I get an Adro lip? Or should I get an AA Concepts lip? Or should I go with another brand? The only thing about Adro is I don't think that I see myself spending $1,000. Okay, guys. So this is the Adro front lip. You guys see the price, right? But I do think it's one of the best looking lips in the market. The only downfall is obviously paying $1,000 for a lip that's going to get destroyed. I know I'm gonna destroy this lip. Another option that we could go with is actually the AA Concepts front lip. This one is a little bit cheaper, but it's still on the steep side for a lip that I know is gonna get destroyed. And this one also does look good. Or, look guys, this is the front lip that I purchased. It was only $80, as y'all can see. And I like this style. Like, I honestly like how this looks on the car. The only thing is, the quality is terrible. But the question is it better to go with this and pay $80 than to go with a lip that costs $600 to $1,000 when we know the front lip is gonna get messed up? That's the real question. That's what I need help with. So yeah, guys, if you have an opinion, please leave it down below. I really don't know what to do right now. I really do want a front lip, side skirt, and diffuser on the car sooner rather than later. So please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys would do in this situation. But yeah, guys, that's basically what I was talking about in the rest of this video. And guys, when I talk about the Dynan handling kit slash bump stops, this is what I'm talking about. This is literally the piece that I'm waiting on so I could lower my car. When I ordered it, it did say it was on back order. And you guys see right here where it says estimated ship date. When I ordered it, mine said July 26th. And now on the website it says August 9th. So I'm not sure what's going on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call Dine-In tomorrow, because as you guys can see, it is 5:30 in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call Dine-In tomorrow and try to see if I could get an update, because I need my car lowered, like literally right now. I already got the spacers in. I'm just waiting on this. This is literally final piece so I could lower my car. Another thing, guys, I'm actually getting a tattoo next week. Would that be something that you guys are into? If I made a video of me driving to the tattoo place and then I recorded me getting a tattoo, would that be something that you guys are interested in? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of that, because I was gonna record it anyways just for me. But if that's something that you guys would want to see, I'd go ahead and make it a video for you guys. Also, guys, make sure to like the video. It helps a lot, especially because I'm such a small channel right now. And if you do enjoy the content and you want to see more about my car, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 200,000. Oh my God, I'm high. Guys, I'm high. It's 5:30 in the morning. We're almost at 200 subscribers, guys. 200 subscribers. So please subscribe. See you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.